Hi everybody! Today we want to start a new series of videos explaining how Flexmonster works and how to use it. In this video, we will show a general approach to configuring a report. When you click a Save button on the toolbar, the component saves the current configurations on your computer in a JSON file. If you open the file, it will look something like this, containing your current slice as well as data source information, version of the component, and creation date. Now let's change the default slice and configure our own. For that, open the field list by clicking the button on the top right of the grid. Here you can see all the fields of the loaded dataset, and you can drag and drop them into columns, rows, values, or report filter. If you need a custom calculated value, you can create it yourself. Just write the formula for your value calculation and name it. It will automatically appear in the value list and be displayed on the grid. Now you can see all the configurations on the grid and manipulate them. Click on the report filter and choose the category you are interested in. You can also filter the measures in rows and columns. If the values are displayed in the wrong format, you can specify how you want them to look using cell formatting. Choose the specific value to which you want to apply your format, then adjust text alignment, decimal places, currency symbol, and other characteristics as needed. You are also able to apply sorting, but only to one measure at a time. You can do it by clicking a sort button on the right of each measure and choosing the sorting direction, ascending or descending. If you need to highlight some information, you can use conditional formatting. Add a new condition and define the value, the condition itself, and the new format that will be applied to it in case it matches the rules. Now let's save the report again and look at what's different. As you can see, now the slice also contains the report filter information, the filtering information for the specified measure, the formula for our calculated measure, the last active sorting we made, the conditions we defined for highlighting on the grid, and the formatting. Now you can copy and paste it into your project. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.